So leading into that, you also are launching CourseCREEK, which is kind of like your consultant firm for that, right? To launch kind of a learning management system and just help people produce things. I forget the term that you use, but there was a really good term you used for someone just had a good idea and get it out for them. So why don't you tell us a little bit about that?
Sure. So I produced online courses to help seniors, right? They were successful. And then some friends came in, other voice coaches from France, Italy, Germany, around the world, friends of mine, colleagues, wanted me to help them make some courses, so I did. That built my skills on sort of consulting and teaching people how to do something I knew how to do in a different context. And it was fun and refreshing, because as a voice coach, I've done just about everything a voice coach can do. I've been there, done that. And today a little bit, and it'd always be part of me. It'll be something I'm doing, but I did get to a point after about almost 30 years, like, gosh, I've done just about everything I can do as a voice coach. I've taken this about almost as far as I can go, and now I'm just sort of on autopilot. What else can I do? And I realized that I wanted to consult. I wanted to actually work with a different kind of clientele. So I launched a business called CourseCREEK Consulting, and CourseCREEK Consulting is a company that is myself and a team of specialists, digital marketing specialists and platform building people that build websites and learning management systems for courses. And what we do is we help individuals, educators, thought leaders, organizations, or anybody with just a good idea learn how to get their ideas into a storyboard, into a curriculum with proper instructional design. And then we do on-camera coaching. We do on-camera coaching, which is one of my wheelhouses. And then I actually help people learn how to get in front of a camera, what we're doing today, and produce content. Then we have the assets, and we upload the assets to platforms like Kajabi, Teachable, Thinkific, Uscreen, LearnWorlds. These are all website systems designed for courses. So it's consulting, coaching, and implementing, and helping people get their game on for scaling their business with monetizing the knowledge that they have and their expertise.
That's killer. Yeah, that's awesome.